Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Netflix application not working on your Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, if you or anyone you know wish to get Netflix for less than half the price, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description or on the pinned link in the comment section below. Now, in case Netflix isn't running or it's running in the background but not showing, all you have to do is go to your taskbar, click on Task Manager after right click, and then from here you're going to search for Netflix that is running in the background. Once you find it or locate it, you're going to click on it, right click, and then you're going to make sure to end task. Now, once you do that, you're going to search for apps and features. And then from here, once it opens this window, you're going to search for Netflix. And now once you have it installed, all you have to do is click on it and go to advanced options. And then you're going to scroll down until you see the reset button. This will make sure to reinstall it properly and hopefully fix any issues. If that's still not working, then you can go here and then go to your settings, go to run, and then from here you're going to search for percentage app data percentage, and then click OK. And then from here, once you do that, all you have to do is go to this folder right here that will open, click Ctrl A to select all of them, and then make sure to delete this temporary folder, and it will delete any corrupt folders that might be running in the background. Finally, after that, you can reinstall Netflix by going to the Microsoft Store and then reinstalling it fully, and then before launching it, right click on it and then run it as administrator, and that should finally open it fully. As you can see, solves the problem just like that. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.